Hello from FPV Thai. This is your new Cinelog35. I'm going to teach you how to bind your drone and also a few startup pointers on how to use it. Okay, so first, the DJI AI unit or the O3 AI unit is situated on the bottom. So you have a Type-C USB for video, and then below that you have a memory card slot right under. So that's a memory card slot plus the USB Type-C slot for video and updating the air unit. It's on the top left side of the drone. And then on the other side you have the flight controller, which has a micro USB, and the very important one is this little button right next to the yellow sticker, which is this one here. So this is the air unit bind button. So when you plug in your drone, there should be a red LED here, and when you want to bind, you press it once and the red LED should blink, and that's indicating it's in bind mode. Okay, about the battery. So you're using a 1300 milliamp battery, 6S. So if you're not used to models, so this is your first time, then you need to know that the battery minimum voltage should be around 22 volts and the maximum is about 25. So when you finish charging, it should be about 25.2. I recommend only going down to 22 volts to conserve the battery. Don't go any lower. If you drain the battery, it will destroy the battery. So, okay, if you turn on, and then there's two leads. So the balance and the DC. So you plug in the balance charger first. So 1 to 6S, plug in here, and then the other side, this side. Okay. The setting on your charger, you want to select LiPo, LiPo, auto for cells, and current you want to select 1.3 because it's 1300 milliamps. So you pick 1.3 and then you go start. That's it for the charging. Also, if you don't use the battery for a long time, I recommend you put it in storage mode. So after you go to this and then go to storage. So put it in storage mode and you save your batteries. Okay, never use your battery lower than, let's see, hang on. So 23.3 volts, I would say. So I see 22.8, but 23.3 should stop flying. Okay. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. Thank you.